Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to show you where you can find your 0408 Module 4 Assessment for Language Arts. Usually I don't do a video for quiz assessments, but this assessment's a little different. So I'm going to go into Module 4 under ELA, scroll to the bottom for 0408. I'm going to click on the lesson. The lesson's just a page long, but it tells you what you need to do. You need to do Module 4 Assessment Part A and Module 4 Assessment Part B. So I'm going to click here for the next activity, and this is going to take me to the Module 4 Assessment for Part A. Okay, so Part A, I'm going to even open it up for you. Part A is a multiple choice quiz. Okay, so you're going to do this quiz just like you do any other multiple choice quiz. If you notice, it's a lot of reading. Make sure you take your time. I do want to make a note in here that I can see how long it takes you to do a quiz. Okay, so I see your time, the time it takes for you to do the quiz. Okay, so Part A is a multiple choice quiz. Part B is a little different. Part B, when you hit start, is an essay. Okay, it says in this part of the assessment, you will write an essay. Carefully read the prompt and text. There's two texts, and then plan for and write your essay. Okay, so it says read the two articles, then respond to the following prompt. Here's the prompt right here, boys and girls. Let me highlight it and then we'll read it. There's the prompt. This is the question that you're answering. It's set up very similar to the way that your assignment was this last week about the tractor and the car, that informational essay that you wrote about how transportation changed the world, how tractors and cars changed the world. This is very similar in the sense that you're writing an informational essay, informative essay using two texts. So let's read the prompt. It says the problem with plastic and make a change, alternatives to plastic straws, discuss the impact of plastic on the environment. Using the articles, write a 4 to 5 paragraph informative essay in which you explain the advantages and disadvantages of using plastic. Use evidence from both texts to support your response. So for this assignment, boys and girls, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to read the problem with plastic. It's right here. So you're going to read that. Then you're going to read this text right here. Make a change, alternatives to plastic straws. You're going to read that text, and that text is broken up into sections: natural alternatives, human-made alternatives. Okay, and then your directions are here. I'm sorry it's not the directions. I'm sorry. It says your points. So this essay is worth 20 points of your quiz. So you're going to read both the texts. Okay. And then when you're answering the prompt, you're going to use both the texts. You're going to use the problem with plastic, and you're going to use make a change, alternatives to plastic straws. You're going to use both the texts to discuss the impact plastic has on the environment. You're going to write 4 to 5 paragraphs. You're going to need an intro. You're going to need 2 to 3 body paragraphs, and then you're going to need a conclusion. Okay, and that all together, if you do 2 body paragraphs, you'll have 4 paragraphs altogether. If you do 3 body paragraphs, you'll have 5 paragraphs altogether. So a 4 to 5 paragraph essay with an intro and a conclusion and 2 to 3 body paragraphs, where you are going to be explaining the advantages and disadvantages of using plastic. And you're going to use evidence from both of the texts to support your answer in how you explain the advantages of using plastic and the disadvantages of using plastic. Okay, you're going to type your essay, all 4 to 5 paragraphs, right here at the bottom. Okay, so use the knowledge that you learned in writing an informative essay throughout this module, Module 4, to write this essay for your assessment. Okay, remember to include a hook, a bridge, and a claim statement in your intro. Make sure your body paragraphs have evidence to help support your topic sentence, and then your conclusion, wrapping up your essay. Okay, when you're done, boys and girls, you're just going to hit submit on both parts, part A and part B, and I will see your multiple choice score, and then I will score your part B, your essay. I have to score those, so you're not going to get you're not going to get a grade right away for part B because I have to read them and score them myself. Okay. All right. And when you're done, you'll just hit submit on both of them, and that will be that.